Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Progress Podcast. I'm Liam.
And I'm Bella. We are very happy that you are listening today.
In this podcast, we help you improve your English step by step with simple conversations.
Today, we will talk about a topic that many people enjoy and many people want to start.
Yes, our topic today is the gym.
We will talk about exercise, healthy habits, gym routines, and how people feel when they go to the gym.
So relax, listen carefully, and let's start our conversation. I started going to the gym about 2 years ago, and it really changed my lifestyle in a positive way. Before that time, I spent many hours sitting at my desk, and I did not move my body very much during the day. I often felt tired and sometimes my back hurt because I was always sitting. One day, I decided that I needed to take better care of my health, so I joined a small gym near my house. At first, I felt a little shy because everyone looked very strong and confident. However, after a few weeks, I realized that most people at the gym are friendly and they just want to improve themselves.
That is very true, Liam. Many beginners feel nervous when they enter a gym for the first time because they think everyone is watching them. In reality, most people are busy focusing on their own workouts and their own goals. When I first joined a gym, I did not know how to use many of the machines. I remember standing near a treadmill and thinking about how everything looked complicated. Luckily, one of the trainers helped me and explained how to use the equipment safely. After a few training sessions, I started to feel more comfortable and confident in the gym environment.
One thing I really enjoy about the gym is having a routine. Usually, I go to the gym 4 or 5 times a week, and each day I focus on a different part of my body. For example, on Monday, I train my chest and arms, and on another day, I train my legs and my back. I also try to do some cardio exercises, like running on the treadmill or riding a stationary bike. Cardio is very helpful for improving your heart health and increasing your energy. When I finish a workout, I always feel proud because I know I did something good for my body.
I agree with you, Liam, because having a routine helps people stay motivated. If you only exercise when you feel like it, you might stop after a short time. For me, the best time to go to the gym is in the morning before I start my work. When I exercise early in the day, I feel more active and focused for the rest of the day. I also enjoy listening to music while I work out because it gives me energy and keeps me moving. Some days the workout feels difficult, but I remind myself that every small step is progress.
One other important part of going to the gym is learning the correct technique. Many beginners try to lift heavy weights too quickly because they want fast results. However, lifting weights the wrong way can cause injuries and pain. It is always better to start with lighter weights and focus on your form. Trainers often say that good form is more important than lifting heavy weights. When you move slowly and correctly, your muscles work better and you reduce the risk of injury. Over time, your strength will increase naturally.
Yes, safety is extremely important when exercising. I always warm up before starting my workout because it prepares my muscles and joints. A simple warm-up can include light stretching or 5 minutes of easy cardio. After the warm-up, I feel ready to do stronger exercises, like squats or push-ups. At the end of the workout, I also like to stretch again because it helps my muscles relax. Stretching can reduce soreness and improve flexibility, which is very useful for long-term fitness.
Another important thing many people forget is the importance of rest and recovery. When you exercise, your muscles work hard and they need time to recover. If you go to the gym every single day without resting, your body can become very tired. Rest days allow your muscles to repair and grow stronger. Sleep is also very important for people who exercise regularly. When you sleep well, your body recovers faster and you have more energy for your next workout.
Nutrition is also an important part of a healthy gym lifestyle. Exercise alone is helpful, but good nutrition makes a big difference. Many people who go to the gym try to eat more protein because it helps build and repair muscles. Healthy foods like eggs, chicken, fish, beans, and yogurt are great sources of protein. It is also important to drink enough water during the day, especially when you are exercising. Staying hydrated helps your body perform better and prevents dehydration.
One interesting thing about gyms is that they bring together people with different goals. Some people want to lose weight and reduce body fat. Others want to gain muscle and become stronger. There are also people who simply want to stay active and improve their overall health. Even though their goals are different, they all share the same space and support each other. Sometimes I talk to other members at the gym, and we encourage each other to keep going.
Yes, the gym can also be a social place where people meet and make friends. I have met several people at my gym who share the same interest in fitness and healthy living. Sometimes we work out together, and that makes the training more fun and motivating. When someone is feeling tired, the other person can encourage them to finish the exercise. This kind of support can make a big difference, especially for beginners who need extra motivation.
Of course, not every workout is perfect. There are days when I feel tired or lazy and I do not feel like going to the gym. On those days, I remind myself why I started in the first place. I think about my health, my energy, and how good I feel after exercising. Usually, once I arrive at the gym and start moving, my motivation returns. The hardest part is often just getting started.
That is such an important point, Liam. Many people believe motivation must come first, but sometimes action comes first. When you take a small step and start exercising, your motivation can grow naturally. Even a short workout is better than doing nothing at all. Over time, exercise becomes a habit and part of your daily life. When that happens, going to the gym feels normal instead of difficult.
I think the gym teaches us many lessons beyond physical fitness. It teaches discipline, patience, and consistency. Results do not appear overnight, and progress takes time and effort. However, when you stay consistent and keep working toward your goals, you start to see changes. These changes can be physical, but they can also improve your confidence and mental health.
Exactly, Liam. Exercise is not only about looking good, it's also about feeling good. Many people say they feel less stress and more happiness when they exercise regularly. Physical activity releases chemicals in the brain that improve mood and reduce anxiety. For that reason, the gym can be a very positive place for both the body and the mind.
In today's conversation, Bella and I talked about going to the gym and staying healthy. We discussed workouts, gym routines, exercise safety, and healthy habits.
Going to the gym can improve your body and your mind. Even small steps and regular exercise can help you feel stronger, happier, and more confident.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of the English Progress Podcast. We hope this conversation helped you learn new words about the gym and exercise.
Remember, learning English is like going to the gym. Practice a little every day and you will see progress over time.
Join us again in the next episode for another helpful English conversation.
Until next time, keep practicing and keep improving your English. Goodbye.